My passion, it's always been about helping people. Growing up in a small family business, I learned early on that honesty, loyalty, and integrity are the pillars of any strong business. It's important for me to always put my clients' needs first. I enjoy meeting new clients and learning about their background and what's important to them. When you're buying or listing a home with me, I take that trust very seriously. With my over 20 years of sales experience, I understand what it takes to listen and to care about what matters most to my clients. Serving my clients with honesty, integrity, and clear communication is very important. I thrive on cultivating strong relationships and working closely with my clients to ensure a smooth and efficient process. My attention to detail, organization, and willingness to serve my clients with the utmost respect and professionalism, that's what sets me apart. Being a part of SHAHEEN, RUTH, Martin & FONVILLE, a respected real estate firm here, right here in Richmond, provides state-of-the-art tools to stay on top of our ever-changing market. As we all know, we're in a digital age, and having the technological advantages to do the research needed to help make informed decisions is very important. I want my clients to know that I will always have their best interest at heart. I will always try to find ways to build my clients' confidence so that they know they're going to be well taken care of. We all have a story to tell, and my hope is that I'm able to make a positive impact on every client that I serve. At the end of the day, it's all about being home. Home with your family and friends and making memories that last a lifetime. Home for my family is taking walks in our neighborhood and playing in the backyard with my wife and our daughters. However you choose to make your house a home, I would love to help make that a reality for you. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the Richmond area, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. I will work hard for you and do whatever it takes to ensure a smooth process. Come be a part of my real estate family. I'm Jarrod Houp, realtor with SHAHEEN, RUTH, Martin & FONVILLE Real Estate, and this is my story.